How to find AliExpress best-selling products. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find the best-selling product on AliExpress. So in order to find the best-selling product on AliExpress can be a great way to identify product items for your online store or e-commerce business. Here's how you can do it. So first thing, you'll need to log into your account or visit the aliexpress.com. For that, open up a web browser and then on the search box you'll need to type in aliexpress.com. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. And this is how the interface is going to look like. After you're logged into your account, use the search bar tool, which is located right over here. In the search bar at the top of the page, enter a general product category or a keyword related to your needs. For example, if you're interested in home decor, type that into the search box. After that, you'll need to use the search bar, which is located right at the bottom, right over here. Now you'll need to sort out by orders. So after running your search, you'll see a list of products to find the best-selling products. Sort the best results by the number of order. Click the order filters. For that, you need to go ahead and press on it, and after that, arrange the product with a higher number of orders at the top of the page. So you need to go ahead and tap on buy now, or you can just go ahead and tap on. After that, analyze the product listing. So click on the individual product listing to get more information. Pay attention to the product description, customer review, ratings, and selling rates. Look for the product that have a high number of orders and poor positive reviews. Now after that, you need to explore the category. You can also explore different product category to discover best selling with specific needs. AliExpress category products under various headings such as home and garden, electronic, fashions, and more. Apart from it, you can also monitor current trends and seasonal demand. Product related to a popular holidays, events, or emerging tend to sell well. Now check AliExpress flash deals selection for the trending items. For that, you need to head over to your home page and look for the flash deal option, and you can just head over to the items and you can just review it. One of the easiest way of finding a best product on AliExpress is going through reviews and ratings. Now, customer review and rating can provide valuable insight into the quality and satisfaction level of the product. Look for the product with the higher ratings and large number of positive reviews. So once you've done that, you can also compare the price of the best-selling product with similar items on AliExpress. You may find that some seller often offers best deal. If you feel that this particular product needs to be bought, then you need to go ahead and tap on the wish list icon, or you can just go ahead and add it to your cart. You can then start ordering the product. So once you've identified your potential best-selling product, list them on your e-commerce platform, online store, or marketplace, and you can just go ahead and view it. So remember that the best selling product on AliExpress can change frequently, so it's important to stay updated and apt to market trends, customer preferences, etc. So that is how you can find or locate a best-selling product on AliExpress. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.